backhoe and some bender board. Here's the job, 2-foot border going all the way to the driveway, both sides. Boom, just broom. Here to there is about 108 feet. Hopefully we'll have some guys show up tomorrow. Well, it's quite a bit of yardage. Slide it. Well, it's a lot of edging, man. Me and you can do it. We don't need any of those guys. Triggered.
Hey, that's Luke.
Hey, Luke. Are you up for rebar today?
Absolutely. What do you need?
These guys hate loading rebar up here for some reason. Not it. 1, 2, 3, not it. Got 8 o'clock mud. I'm gonna pour out this side up to the road, and then, you know, I'm gonna order 8 yards, whatever's left. Hopefully it gets a yard into this or something. And then we'll finish setting this side up and pour 11 or 12 o'clock and finish the rest of it out. So we need 8 for sure in the morning.
Okay, 8 yards, first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye. Right now it's about 6:30. I'm throwing some finishing tools and head up there, get it poured up. Well, you got one there already. Perfect. Bounce over that way. We'll start in the back over there. Just whatever we got left, we're gonna run out over here. You have a pocket here too. Chad. Yeah, the mud's over here. You can do that. I was just letting you know. Clyde, do you want this? You want to do this?
You want me to do that?
Yeah. You can handle that, right? If you had a tape measure on you, you could tell exactly where 2 feet was. So yeah, that one needs one, this one needs one, probably this one. At least those 3. Want it to look good. Let's see what I can do. Go into drain. Like that for now, because I can take it up a little better. Okay, about got this laid down, whatever's left in the truck. And then we're gonna form this up while he's gone and pour that in a few hours. He's out. Whew, almost there. Here, Clyde, there's another, go cut every 5 foot down that other one. All right, we're troweled out all the way up to about where Chad is. Gonna start brooming here. There it is. I'm just gonna tighten these rocks here. It'll be fine. It's a tight fit in here. We can use a backhoe if you want. We don't have a wheelbarrow. Chad, you need to pull that block out board. All right, Wednesday. Tired. Don't break things, Chet. Okay, good. Perfect. We didn't set this one up, but we're gonna pour it. Yeah. This is up for tomorrow. It's got some big old footings on it, bro. 2-story house, though. All right, we better get back and check on Ted and Chet. Give them a call. You guys fine? Me and Dakota, we're fishing. Oh, they got river access right here, dude. Easy stepping. Oh, this is sweet.
Do some more concrete steps.
Yeah. We'll just do a wheelchair ramp on this one. That's a nice grade. Just a pathway. A dream spot. Oh, look at that, dude. This is awesome. Deaver.
Yeah, just out of the state park.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is nice. We'll see you at the other job. Oh, Dakota, think about it, man.
I grabbed that one that was.
Oh,
One? Did I ask you for two? Yeah, no.
Chad, pack 2 at the same
I
time.
grabbed one that was cut and one that
Has
wasn't.
Sparky showed back up yet? Nice. That's a big lump, man. Take your knife and just hit it right there real quick. Oh, that sucker's, it's jiggly, man. That tire ain't gonna make it.
Okay. This,
So is that the height of your drain, you think?
yeah, roughly. So all this, I tried to get all the rock over. So this is gonna have to go down. All this dirt's gonna come out here.
Okay.
Well, 4 foot there.
Yeah. I know. With a rounded. All right, just out. Take the screws out and save them, man. We're out of screws.
No, Chet says they're filled with concrete.
Well, they're better than what we have right now, Chet, which is 0.
We're just gonna throw another tire.
Yeah, I believe it. We have 0, Phil.
This guy, he wants you to order a thing of topsoil, is what the text was about.
Oh,
When you order gravel or something. So.
I have no idea of when Hemmingson's even coming, man. It might have to be later this week or something. I've about had enough for today. Time to go home. You need to pick up these stakes.
Chet, it's time to go home. Pick up these stakes, leave those boards there for tomorrow. Or you just want these in the bed of your truck?
Yeah.
I can put them in the cab.
Yeah, put them in the cab, man. Oh, man. Chad. Brick. Oh, I got stuck on the phone down there and talking to John. We don't have any other 2x4s that are shorter.
No.
Let's just do it on Monday. You think you had enough for today?
Yeah.
I'm done too. Yesterday was kind of a,
That's fine.
and man, we got a big pour tomorrow. Well, it's not huge, but we got a house foundation.
He's got some rebar over there, not very much.
I'm shooting for Tuesday, but then we got to put all the rock in it. John ends on Monday. I got that lined up, so they give us Monday to set this up and finish John up.
Find something.
Yeah, this looks good. Let's call it a day.
You don't have to tell me twice.
I'm gonna take it to the tire guy just like this.
I don't want to handle it like that. Oh, Dave, easy on the threads, man.
Ow. The other side's heavier than that side. I just stubbed my finger.
I'm sorry.
Alright, well, it might be time to replace this tire. Here's a sign. Oh! Dang. Just leave it just like that. Alright, so Monday we're going to finish setting this up. We're going to finish grading out John's on Monday. We're also going to take out a little section of someone else's driveway that got damaged. They've been waiting to be replaced forever. And everything loaded up for tomorrow. The double power trowel. This thing fired up on the first pull. Yeah. Safety switch. Kind of working. See you in the morning, pouring the foundation. Oh, I did not want to get up this morning. Yeah, it's a bunch of BS, isn't it? Just live to work pretty much. We already broke another rake, Chad. You've been here for 5 minutes. Chad! He broke one yesterday too, and I went to Home Depot and they're out of them. I was gonna buy a couple of these.
You gotta go to Ace.
Does Ace even have this brand?
Yeah.
I've never seen these at Ace before. Is this mine?
Yeah, that was yours.
This is my rake?
Yeah, Clyde banged it the other day. Though.
Clyde!
First day that he was back.
Chad! What are you using it for? Like a pry bar or what?
Hey, did you see the weather?
No.
60% chance today?
It's not today.
No, it's tomorrow. It's 80. It's raining tomorrow.
Tomorrow's 80. Yeah, tomorrow's raining. I don't even know if I want to try to straighten this out. It's going to break the whole thing, Chad. No, just leave it.
I'll do it.
Chad, you're going to have to reimburse me for that.
That's been like that for like
Yeah, Clyde banged it the other day.
no like
Watch, we're not going to get our next truck for more like 3 hours.
Don't say it, man. Don't say it. It's highly likely with these guys. Oh, is that guy fishing down there?
Yeah, he's fishing. He's fishing.
He's just sitting there.
No, there's a guy on the bank over there fishing. There ain't no fish down here, man. They're all up high.
I mean, is that going to be a pain in the butt to pour it backwards? But almost let this get on the ground first. God!
I told you. I mean,
What'd you do? You got it full of concrete?
a little bit of concrete in there.
Hit the button, man. That's great. Yeah. Hey Dakota, you throw me that rake or a rake? was on it today. Chalk up one for Tidewater, I guess. Yeah, no clogs. That went good. I get it on film, I guess. Oh, some feels good. You gotta let that bake. Bake at 50 degrees for the next 20-25 minutes. Life's too short to hate people.
Make what?
You shouldn't hate anyone. Even your enemies. You're supposed to even love your enemies.
Little gray spots, that's what you're looking to build, Chad. Like this little gray spot, that's a little void. You gotta fill it in.
The criteria you will be judged on is straightness of broom line. Also texture quality, you know, consistency of texture all the way throughout. Start delaminate in a few spots. See that? See how it's kind of popping up?
Yeah.
I don't like that too much.
The horsehair hair? This guy.
It's up to you, but
There's the horsehair.
that, yeah, but that one might fit in there better and be easier to control.
Whichever.
A nice straight line, just don't get too rough with it, you know what I mean? Chad, you're gonna have to stand up. Probably. Start it like your one stroke, one paintbrush, walk it all the way. Keep it in line with the board, don't move it. Pay attention to where the board is and where the bristles are with the board.
Oh my God.
And go straight with, don't ever change it. Keep walking, Chad, walk, walk, walk. Yes. Oh, you're doing it. You're scared, but you're doing it. Don't ever stop. No, you stop. One solid motion of the paintbrush.
Keep going.
Yeah, you're doing great, you're doing great, you're doing great. And then lift it up. Boom. Now come down the other side with the bristles close. Oh! Did it fit the whole way, or do you have a bald spot up on the upper edge? So now you need to do it over again, yeah, following the other side. Whatever side, if it's easier for you to go that direction versus one direction versus the other. I would think so too, but everybody's different, man.
Yeah, no, Chad,
Whatever you got the most control over, keep them perfectly straight. Like, I'm gonna hang a string line to it.
It already looks like an ass, Chad. It's all right.
Okay. All right, getting back to work. I'm sure it'll be amazing, Chad. Okay, working again. I can do anything. All right, Chad, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate this slab.
1.5.
6.5. All right, we got ourselves a 6.5 over here. We've never pulled off a 10 because you can't. 10 doesn't exist. I don't know. 9 is tough. 6.5. Chad gives it 6.5. It's got a pretty tight garage slab. There's kind of a cold joint that we had to deal with. It's kind of towards the back of the garage. The rest of it's floor covering. The rest is fine. But we build this thing, work on that garage a little bit. Shoot, it's gonna be nice. He's gonna sock at it tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that, Chad. I don't know. It might be a 7. I guess you'll see when it rains how many puddles you got. But they always puddle up. Flat slabs always have puddles in them, man. I don't care. If your slab doesn't have puddles in it, then it's got fall. And you don't want to fall in your house slab. You want level, or very close to, which is gonna equal to a little puddleage. You're putting this stuff in by hand.
Good day, man.